How we can have peace in a world full of rebellion, dishonesty, crime, and greed. Whenever we face any kind of trial, through scriptural truths can guard our hearts and minds. First, Romans 8:28, we know that God causes all things to work together for good to those who love God, to those who are called according to His purpose. Second, Psalms 103 verse 19, the Lord has established His throne in the heavens and His sovereignty rules over all. Once we truly believe these verses, they'll become a reality in our lives. When trouble comes, instead of asking, "Where's God?" well, remember He's ruling over the situation and has promised to use it to achieve His good purpose. Then Christ's indwelling presence will comfort, encourage, and assures us as He takes us through every trial. Whenever we face challenges, our first response should be seek His thoughts, discover His desires and purposes, follow His instructions, and trust in His promises. Amen.